Welcome friends. In today's video, I'll be discussing about different types of plagiarism. Plagiarism is a process of stealing others' work or others' creativity, but it has different way through which intentionally or unintentionally people are committing this folly. Theresa Iriton has explained 5 different types of plagiarism. Plagiarism of words, plagiarism of structure, plagiarism of ideas, plagiarism of authorship, plagiarism of self. Apart from these, two more types of plagiarism are there: reverse plagiarism and accidental plagiarism. Now, let me explain one by one. Plagiarism of words: the use of another's exact words without citing the author's name and details. For example, someone take exact definition of research from a research methodology book of John W. Best and not mentioning his name in his reference. So this we can say plagiarism of words. Now we will see plagiarism of structure. Paraphrasing others' words by changing sentence construction, that is just by using synonyms for the existing content. To paraphrase a source, one has to rewrite a paragraph without changing the meaning of original text. Plagiarism of ideas: when the whole idea of someone is stolen without acknowledging the main author, is called plagiarism of ideas. Information, data interpretation, and conclusion that come from a specific source must be attributed to the source even if the original language is not used. This stealing of others' ideas is old concept. This takes place in various fields of life like education, music, films, etc. Plagiarism of authorship. In this type of plagiarism, a person reproduces others' work without their consent. In research areas, this is becoming a common problem. I mean, not all the students who does really hard work to prove their research findings, but few scholars submit whole thesis by copying others' thesis as it is without informing the original authors. Plagiarism of self. The use of previous original work in one's own new assignment is plagiarism of self. For example, a Rhodes Scholar Lehrer had recycled some of his own previous material in several new blog posts of The New Yorker. Reverse plagiarism: falsely giving authorship credit over a work to a person who did not author it, or falsely claiming a source supports that source does not exist. But there is a rare incident of reverse plagiarism cases in literature and serious research. The advent of WhatsApp has increased reverse plagiarism. For example, a few Urdu couplets are found to be attributed unknowingly to famous Urdu poet Ghalib, who originally did not author it. Accidental plagiarism. Usually, students commit this mistake in hurry. They unintentionally paraphrase and forget to mention the source or neglect proper citation, etc. Whether it has done intentionally or unintentionally, it is considered as plagiarized material only. These are the few types of plagiarism which usually students, scholars, and teachers are doing. So that's it for today's video. Take care.